Ductshop. Ductshop has established itself as a major supplier of ducting and related fittings, having supplied ducting to most prestigious projects in the Southern African region and surrounding countries. Now in 2012, we have established a partnership with PAL Dubai to be the sole supplier of their pre-insulated foam panel products. Quality people. Ductshop has built up the knowledge required to meet all customer needs. This knowledge and experience is converted into solutions for the HVAC industry. Ductshop is managed by a highly qualified and skilled team of professionals who have extensive experience in the manufacturing of ventilation ducting, supported by a well-skilled labor force. Our team of professionals develops relationships based on teamwork, mutual trust, and values that result in successful projects for our clients. At Ductshop, we pride ourselves with our modern, state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities located in Kempton Park, Spartan area in Gauteng, covering a factory area of 5,500 square meters. Our geographic footprint and services extend nationally, with branches in the Western Cape and KWA-ZULU-Natal. We promise to deliver the highest quality products, quality service, with good turnaround time to client satisfaction. Quality service. Ductshop is committed to unparalleled quality performance, integrity and fairness in dealing with our customer and employees. We are committed to superior service by fulfilling our clients' expectation in the best possible way. We pride ourselves on our market lead approach by listening, working more closely with our clients and paying attention to their needs and expectations. We are able to craft solutions suited for each client. Quality products. We are ISO 9001 certified to guarantee the highest quality workmanship. Our ductwork can be custom made to meet your specific requirements. HVAC Shop. HVAC Shop was established in October 2011. It was incorporated to meet the growing demands of the heating and ventilation industry by combining the expertise of leading industry players with the aim of providing a complete solution to our valuable clients at a convenience, saving time and money. Our HVAC Shop caters for AC contractors, plumbers, electrical contractors, and the general public. We stock various products from the following suppliers: Metra Clark, Bosch, Europe Air, Jador, Hilti, LG, and Gripple. PAL Ducting. PAL Ducting is a pre-insulated foam ducting made out of 80 micron of aluminium foil and inbuilt insulation. PAL has proven the value of its products and has been the top brand for air conditioning ductwork, widely used in most prestigious projects worldwide due to its known advantages over the traditional galvanized ductwork. PAL Ducting is accredited and approved by the US Green Building Council since 2008. With the current global warming situation, building materials and insulation products have dramatically improved. Requirements for clean air are becoming increasingly stringent. Energy costs have continued to escalate. Changing fire and smoke codes have raised the standards for compliance. Advantages: cleanable and hygienic, environmentally friendly, HCFC and CFC free, clean air, no microfibers compared to sonic insulation in traditional ductwork, resistance to fungus, low U value, lightweight, only 15% of sheet metal ducting, low leakage, fully sealed systems, fast-track installation, rapid erection combined with single fix installation, site fabrication ability. PAL pre-insulated ducting technology. The automatic cutting machine is a device used to cut and groove PAL pre-insulated panels. It is able to achieve this much more quickly and accurately than with traditional hand tools. The machine comes complete with dedicated software to help you design the components. First, simply select the type of part you want from the built-in component library. Then, input the dimensions. You'll be shown a preview of how it will look. The software will then nest the objects that you have designed and will automatically compute the most efficient way to arrange and cut the parts across the panels. This can be altered by hand. Panel wastage is thus reduced and cost savings are realized. On your command, the machine will then cut the panels to the exact specification of the software. It is capable of cutting with exceptional precision, with an accuracy which is unattainable by hand. This accuracy can be replicated time and time again. The machine also eliminates the need for other labor-intensive manual fabrication processes, such as marking out and hand cutting. The components come off the machine, ready for folding and finishing. Finishing the product is much easier as there are fewer gaps when it is folded. This enables effortless application of silicone and straightforward fitting of flanges. A cutting machine is capable of cutting any shapes. Even the most complicated design is achievable. Shapes that are difficult to cut by hand, such as circular sections of the plenum, are achievable easily. Once again, the quality of the cut makes the assembly more straightforward. The use of an automatic cutting machine can result in the following benefits: uniform, superior quality standards, increased accuracy and efficiency, reduced risk of panel damage, low material wastage, lower initial cost and lead times, labor cost savings.